This video is going to show how to use the EMA CircuitFit tool to calculate the space occupied on a PCB in OrCAD Capture. Open a design in Capture and select EMA Toolkit CircuitFit from the menu to open the CircuitFit window. In this window, you can define the PCB footprint source, where to save the result file, and the units to use. Enter the board area into the field labeled Board Area and select the desired unit from the list to the right. Select the desired units for the measurements in the report. Click Start to run the analysis. A prompt will appear with the message that the design will be saved prior to running CircuitFit. Click OK to save the design and run the app. When the analysis finishes, the output CSV file will open in Microsoft Excel. The total area for each part is shown, as well as how much of the board area is used by components. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.